Leo's Big School Adventure. Leo held his sister Mia's hand tightly. He looked up at the big brick building with its giant doors. "Is this school, Mia?" he whispered. "It's so big." Mia smiled. "This is your new elementary school, Leo. It's for young kids, just like you. See that big playground? That's for you to play in." They peeked through a window into a bright and airy classroom. "You'll sit in one of those little desks to do your work and learn amazing things," Mia said. "And when you get hungry, there's a big cafeteria where you can get yummy food," Mia explained, pointing to another part of the school. "The principal has an office here too," Mia said. "The principal is like the captain of the school ship, making sure everyone is safe and happy. When you finish elementary school, you'll go to a bigger school like mine," Mia said proudly. "It's called high school." "In high school, we're teenagers," Mia said. "We don't stay in one room. We move from classroom to classroom for each subject, like math or science. We have a huge gymnasium for sports," she continued, "and sometimes we even have dances there." "And after high school?" Leo asked. "What's next?" Mia pointed to a sprawling collection of beautiful buildings across a green lawn. "After that, some people go to university." "People come from all over the world to go to university," Mia said. "Students there can be my age, or even as old as Grandma and Grandpa. You never stop learning." A university is like a little city. It has a theater for plays, a bookstore full of textbooks, and even a building with a giant swimming pool inside, Mia explained. Leo looked from the elementary school to the university in the distance. He wasn't nervous anymore. He was excited. "Wow," he said. "I can't wait to learn everything."